Camila. We are building the backbones of healthcare and a digital twin that goes beyond doctor center. Just like TikTok matches people with the right video, we match people with the right health plan in real time. Today, I want to answer 3 questions: why now, how we do, and why choose us. Okay, wait a moment. Sorry, wait a moment, and maybe we update another PowerPoint. Okay, maybe let me skip it. The timing couldn't be better because you can see that the AI in healthcare and GLP-1 drugs are booming. Look at him and hers. Could you believe that their company stocks double in 2 years just by embodying AI into telehealth? So this company successful can prove one thing: people are willing to pay for AI in healthcare. Meddcom builds infrastructure for AI digital therapies and personalized health management. Actually, the logic is quite simple. We will use amount of current user data to train AI model, and the data-driven model will provide personalized solutions for users. And nextly, the user high-quality feedback will back to our model. It's like a continuous loop, you know. Let me go first. Okay, we start with obesity, because you know just one obesity linked to over 200 chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes. And actually, GLP-1 drugs bring people in quickly, but real challenge is how to keep weight off. And our train can solve this problem. It works like daily coach, helping users sustain results and moving into chronic care. I'm skipping. Okay, here's our strongest advantage. On the user side, we already have over 218,000 subscribers with high retention, high quality, and high LTV. And secondly, we have over 20 top weight loss media accounts appealing online users continuously. On the partner side, we work with more than 20 pharma companies, including Novo Nordisk, Lilly, Innovent, and more than 200 healthcare institutions. And the most important thing in terms of revenue, the ecosystem is already generating more than 600 million RMB a year. So this isn't just a slide dream, it's a real business scale. Here's our AI agents like make train on millions of medication history that users are willing to upload. So when users ask some question about healthcare, the reply doesn't guess. It already know what works in real life. The active, the user's active engagement is our stickers. That is our age over menus and hints. Here's our another models, multi-vertical models is too complex. Maybe let me explain it briefly. On the left side, you can see all data we plug in from wearables, CGMs, even medication records. And the mood in the middle, we put it all together. So a 5-minute doctor visit turns into 1,500 hours of AI insight. And the outcome, 95 success in weight and sugar control, nearly 0 side effects, and the real-time disease monitoring will be provided. Here's our AI hardware ecosystem. All devices like CGM, smartwatch, all will connect to our model platform together. Because we have strong tools, so the impact is quite clear. The cost will be reduced to nearly 0, and the efficiency will be maximized, while the user engagement and LTV will be significantly enhanced. Okay, let me compare traditional AI companies like OpenAI or Minimics. Although have strong model, but the data always idle, that is hard to commercialization. And on the other side, the traditional healthcare companies like Ali Health or Jingdong Health do have data, but they always generic, low engagement. That is also hard to monetization. But Meddcom sit in different and new supports. We start from real users, but we go further. High willingness health data and a proven monetization loop is our base. Our team brings top talent from both Australia and China's that covers 3 dimensions: business, products, and science. Laurence is our CEO, is a serious entrepreneur in consumer health. And Simon is our CFO, come from Morgan Stanley, held multi-billion cross-border deals and full product for over 2 billion digital health platform. And Hong Hao has 26 years in biopharma, including 15 at Novo Nordisk. And from Australia, I focus on communication and strategy and have maybe a bit of experience. And Si Yu brings McKinsey and CSIO experience in digital transformation. And our chief scientific advisor, Grace Zhang, come from Hong Kong University and UNSW, have deep background in medicine and biomedical engineering. Okay, the PowerPoint has some room. Yeah, it's so pity. We start with the vision. We want to create the backgrounds to reshape how billions of people access care. Today, it's no longer just a vision. It's a real business scale with proven customer base and full supply chain and the monetization loop. The AI revolution in healthcare is certain. The only question is, would you want to build it with us? Thanks.
Thanks for that. Well done. That was a great pitch. I didn't quite understand. Could you go back to the traction slide? Did you say you're doing 600 million RMB of revenue?
The revenue?
Yeah, I don't. Maybe you could just give us a sense of what's the sort of stage of the business today. Like some things suggested that it's quite mature. And then I'm just trying to sort of understand, like, where is the business up to today? This is real data from the company?
Yeah, this is our last year revenue. Yes, more than 600 million RMB a year.
Wow. Oh, that's interesting. It seems very mature to be pitching at like a startup competition. I'm just trying to sort of put this in the context of some of the other companies we're going to see today. Okay, do you have an ask of the audience, perhaps? Like, what are you sort of hoping to get out of today? Is this sort of really for customers, sort of fundraising? What are you trying to achieve?
You mean the audience or the?
Yeah. I mean, like, so it sounds like you've got a lot of traction in China. What are you doing in Australia? Like, are you looking for customers, or are you trying to grow the business in Australia? What's the objective?
Actually, we will dividing into ways. Firstly, we will focus on some customers like B2C, yes, and provide personalized health management for them. And secondly, we will partner with some pharma companies or pharma institutions, yes, to provide more precise data to help them get more precise targeting. Yes, actually, this content in my slides will provide, but slide have some room. It's so pity. I don't know why. Yeah.
No worries. Okay. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you for the pitch. It's pretty funny. I think you should be here, actually. Giving advice to the startups, but yeah, I guess I just love to. I mean, what's the long-term vision? Like, where do you see this going? Let's say 5 to 7 years from now. Say it's here in Australia. Like, what do you see the user flow look like and the experience for? Yeah, 5 to 7 years from now.
You mean in Australia?
Yeah, Australia globally. Yeah.
Yes, as I mentioned before, in Australia, maybe in the next 2 years, we plan to set up our pharma companies to maybe partner with some farmers in healthcare institutions, yes, to provide our service because we have amount user data. Yes, that is our strongest advantage, and as I mentioned before, monetization loop, yes. I think in the next 2 years, we will set up the cooperation with the pharma companies, yeah.
Awesome. How do you think about regulatory risk? So if you're based here in China, the company's presumably based in China, like how would you expand to Australia or US? Like I would assume there'd be like a sovereign data risk.
Yeah, it's a interesting question. We already considered about it, and we have the AI model trained on millions of medication histories, and on our technicals, yes, apartments, yes, they said that it can solve this problem by the model maybe through some calculations, yes, and actually the China data have some common with Australian data because we focus on weight loss and the sugar control firstly, and actually it's a common difficult, yes, not different, maybe not have a lot of difference, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I got a question. It's like I can see that your company, it's not like startup, it's a company already, and you're planning to tap into the US and Australian market. So have you done any actions yet, like the go-to-market strategies and the TJA registrations because you got devices? So, and also I'm wondering, like, because I think you provide some digital, therapies. So is it like I shouldn't say it's like a gray zone, but is it like you provide the advice, but you don't have the license? So I'm just wondering about that. Thank you.
Thank you, questions. Actually, we just focus on consuming healthcare. We don't provide some actual devices for some real symptoms or real cancers or other things. We just focus on maybe consumer health. Yes. So maybe when users have some tough problems, yes, our system will transfer into humans to solve these problems. Yeah.
Maybe just curious. So what's the Chinese name of this company?
Meddcom.
Meddcom.
Yes, Meddcom.
Meddcom, okay.
It's a Hong Kong company.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for all our judges and also presenter. So next, let's welcome Team 3, Senstride. Welcome presenter Justine.
Achiever AI, the first one. Yes.
Wait. Hello?
Excuse me.
Hello?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Justin.